Did you know that you can deposit checks using Vibrant's online banking app? It's super simple and a convenient way to deposit checks at home. Start by opening the Vibrant mobile app and logging into your account. On the bottom of the screen, click Deposit Check, and once you've done so, you're going to get some information about the time required to process your deposit. Next, click Done at the top of the screen and you're in the main deposit page. Once you're on that screen, select the account you want to deposit your funds to, then enter the amount and snap a photo of the front side and the back side of the check. One thing to note is when you go to deposit a check online, make sure to endorse it for mobile deposit only. Now that your pictures are in there, click Deposit Check, and if everything is entered correctly, you'll soon get a verification that your deposit has been accepted. Then just watch for a confirmation email noting you've submitted a deposit. We'll keep you updated via email from there, up to the point where the funds have been confirmed and are available in your account.